Friends, we have started chapter 1 set theory of standard 11. In the first lecture, we have studied about 7 type of numbers, 5 type of set of numbers and definition of the set. Actually, set is a not defined term, but for understanding point of view, we have given the definition of the set and then fundamentals of the set. Sets are denoted by capital letters of English alphabet. Order is immaterial in the set and repetition is also immaterial in the set. And then we have studied about 2 methods for representation of sets. Number 1, listing method. The second name is roster method, and the second one is property method or set builder method. Now today we study about null set. A set having no element. Is called null set. It is denoted by phi or blank curly bracket. Now the example of null set is x/x is a student obtained 101 marks in the question paper of maths of standard 10. तो it is not possible, ऐसा कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि मैथ्स का पेपर 100 मार्क्स तक ही होता है, 100 मार्क्स का ही होता है, तो 101 मार्क्स वाला कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए उसमें कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं आ सकता, कोई एलिमेंट नहीं आ सकता, hence it is called the null set. Now the second example is x/x. X is a number, natural number. X is a natural number less than 1. Now the natural numbers are positive integers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Less than 1 वाला कोई नंबर उसमें नहीं है, hence it is called the null set. Now the next is singleton set. x/x is a wife of an Imran sir. It have only one element because I have one wife only, hence it is an example of a singleton set. Now the next topic is subset. Subset is a comparison of 2 sets. So we have to take 2 sets A and B. For giving the definition of a subset, यहां पर एक बात बता दूं आपको कि इन दिस लेसन सेट थियरी वी विल यूज यू 4 टाइम्स. लेटा हुआ यू is used for denoting the subset. सीधा u is taken as a union of two set. उल्टा u is taken as an intersection of two set, and capital U is taken as a universal set. Now the definition of subset: if all elements of set A are also an elements of set B, then A is called subset of B. It is denoted by A subset B. Now the results related to subset number 1, subset gives or shows relation between two sets. Null set is a subset of every set. Every set is a subset of itself. Formula for finding total number of subsets is 2 raised to n, where n is equal to number of elements of set. Here if we take phi null set have no element, so the value of n is 0. 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Hence the subset of null set is only 1. But instead of null set, every set has at least two subsets. Here the exception is null set only, because null set have only single subset. Now, out of all subsets, null set and subset itself is called improper subset, and remaining subsets are called proper subsets. From these results related to subset, one MCQ or one question most cases में पूछा जाता है, number of proper subset of a given set. As an example, if A is equal to 1 2 3, then there are 3 elements in a set, so total number of subset is 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Now, improper subset are always fixed. 2 improper subset, null set and subset itself. If we subtract 2 from total number of subset, means 2 raised to n minus 2 gives number of proper subsets. So for A is equal to 1 2 3, number of proper subsets are 2 raised to 3 minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So keep in mind that this question can be asked in your examination. How many number of proper subsets for given set? So you have to remember all these results related to subset. Thank you very much.